Hi everyone, welcome back to Cherry Blossom Handmade. Today I'm going to be making some wax melts today, and I'm using this fragrance right here. I absolutely love this company. I have not gotten a fragrance oil that I have been unhappy with yet, so definitely check them out. I have 16 ounces of soy wax here, and I'm going to melt it down and I'll be right back. I'm going to add one of these cubes in. These so far have been my favorite. You cannot buy them online though. The only place I have found that sells them is Joann's, and they're just concentrated cubes, and I love these so much better than the wax flakes or liquid dye. So I'm going to add one of these to this because it's okay. Now I've got it all melted down, and as you can see, the cube, the dye cube, is still in there, and that's fine. I'm going to put in my fragrance oil, and this is apple dumpling. Add the whole thing because and I'm just going to mix until that cube is melted. And this is the finished product once they are dried. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.